In this video, we're going to look at how to add parameters to a function using Kotlin IR builders. Suppose we had a function such as this, which is a greeting displaying a print line statement. Its IR tree would look like this. Let's go through each component in this tree. The first, we have our function, which has a name of greeting, and then we have a block body, which has an external function call. We want to mutate this tree by adding a value parameter. So how will we do that? The parameter that we want to add is a string type. So in order to do this, in our visitor method, what we're going to get is an IR function type that we could use and we could do mutations on. So this IR function represents the function that we want to change. There is an extension that's provided to us called add value parameter that we could utilize. This is defined in the Kotlin module. It's defined in the IR tree module. And it's part of all of the IR builders that are given to us that we could use. These IR builders allows us to build functions, to build classes, etc. So this declaration in this method, what we're going to specify is the name of our parameter. And then we're going to specify the next thing, which is going to be the type. The type could be specified using a context. The context provides built-ins types such as integer, boolean, etc. Underneath the hood, the context is represented by an interface, and there is a concrete implementation to it for FIR. And inside of here, you'll see a built-ins type that we could use, which is an interface itself, and it contains an int type, a boolean type, and all these different types, primitive types, which are really useful for us to reuse. So we're going to use this context, and then inside we're going to specify our IR built-ins that we want to use. We want to grab the int type. So this specifies that this name parameter is going to have an int type. The next thing that we could do is that we could return this declaration after we have done the mutation. And in the end, when we add that value parameter, you'll see this IR tree get updated. It's going to have our name parameter, which equates to a value parameter type right there, as you can see. It's at index 0, and the type is an integer. And we could add as many value parameters as we want in this manner. So I hope this video was helpful. In the next video, we're going to look at how to actually create this function using IR.